So I laid flooring in the bedroom, came into the closet, worked around this, and so I've been laying from this side over. This got in the way, and this is how I got around it. I went ahead and kept the floor going, and now I'm just gonna lay these in backwards. And I have these set up so that it's gonna keep me nice and straight. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to get this engineered hardwood through this doorway. This is finger locking the same as laminate or luxury vinyl plank, so the same process. And here's how I'm gonna get through this doorway into the closet of this bedroom that I started at that end. So the flow is going in from left to right. So I need to be able to get myself where I'm into the closet so I can come left to right. And so I'm gonna start out by temporarily getting some flooring laid down here, like this. And now start laying backwards just a little. And now that's gonna help us know where to start our first piece. So now I'm in the closet and can start like I normally would. Take these up, and this first piece is going to be completely under that trim, so I just need to cut a piece for here to that length. Have my piece resting in, and I'm going to trim just a little so it can get past that baseboard and get it all the way in. Next row started. Now since this piece ends under the door jamb, I can finish off that piece in essence on this side. If it didn't work out that way, if it was a little different, I would have to cut one piece that is the shape of the door jamb, take a chisel and shave this off so that the piece would be able to just sit here and slide in and go right over that bump chiseled. I'll still have to do that a little bit, and we'll show you that in a minute. So I've got my next piece that's got to get notched around that door trim. I'm going to put a mark where it'll be under the door trim. Then I'm going to measure where it'll stay under this part, 3/4 of an inch. So now I'm going to cut this notch out and be able to get it in. Now I've got my piece, and then naturally the problem is I've got to tip this up to get it locked in. The door jamb keeps it from tipping up. So to get around that, I'm going to take our chisel and shave this ridge off. I always like to save some of it, if I can, on the ends past it. But shave off as much as you need to get it in. We're going to put a little bit of wood glue. If you're working with the luxury vinyl plank, you could use some Gorilla super glue instead of the wood glue. Now where this side back here is moved, I'm able to still get that pulled back over in place. And there we go. I am now through the doorway on this side. Now I'm going to keep laying the flooring until I get to the other side. Alright, so I've got more flooring down, and I started myself to set me up right there by the doorway. Dragging seam here, so I'm going to cover it with one piece. It can be easy if you do it where one piece will come to the middle and your next piece is there. But sometimes you have to use a whole piece. So I'm gonna do it that way, which is the harder way. And let you see how it goes for me. Same process. Got my piece where it's gonna go. Marking where it'll be under the door trim. I did cut this with the multi-tool at the right height. I want to measure how much floor I need to be under that trim. We're going to go 6 1/4. Now I'm going to cut this notch with the jigsaw. So I'm going to chisel again. And our glue. Get your ends in where you didn't chisel. There we go. Got that piece in. Rip the next ones with the table saw and keep the same thing going. Things to watch out for is while you're getting it in there, make sure your glue hasn't dried on you. No little pieces in there. I had to make sure that this didn't get pushed over that way and that everything was still straight. And I tilted it up as much as I could, and now I can keep going. I also ended up replacing this piece and this piece because it was giving me a little trouble and the pieces had not the best edge. So another thing to watch out for. My last piece is finishing getting through this doorway. Got them cut already. And just a matter of sliding it in there. May or may not need to use the chisel. Now this flooring, this piece just lays on top. With some of the click-in floors, you have to hit it over to get it to lock in. In that case, I would have taken the chisel over this so that it could lay flat. But this one already does just lay flat. And there we go. I am officially through the doorway. That's how I do it and how you can do it. Hope this video helps and hope it goes well for you. Be blessed.